The next generation Yaris is here, and with it comes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This has never featured before in the Yaris. It's great to finally see it in the Yaris. Not only that, it comes completely as standard, so no matter which grade you go for, it will always be there. Also as standard is Toyota Safety Sense, and all Yarises now come as a 1.5 hybrid. So that's from the Icon grade up, a lot of specification and hybrid. So it's a fantastic foundation for a brand new car. This one today that we're in is the Launch Edition Yaris. This comes with all the specification upgrades that can possibly get in the Yaris, and it comes with a unique Fusion Red Bitone metallic finish. There's only 600 of these models available, and we've got one here. So if you've never used Apple CarPlay before or Android Auto, we're going to do a little tutorial just to show you how to get set up. So all you need is your iPhone and your iPhone cable. We're using Apple CarPlay here as a demonstrator. We're going to just connect the phone via the USB at the front and via the charging port here. Once that's connected and the car is on, it's going to ask us for the first time to allow access to our phone to the car. Once we've done this once, it will always allow access. And there we have it, we're connected, Apple CarPlay's on the screen, all of our apps are there. One of the most beneficial features about Apple CarPlay is that it will constantly update. When your phone updates, Apple CarPlay will update, which means you no longer have to come to the dealership now to update your sat-nav for new roads, and as things go on, it will constantly update as your phone updates. That's brilliant. As Apple CarPlay has developed, new apps have appeared in the car. Instead of just using Apple Maps now, we now have Google Maps or Waze Maps or other software that you want to choose. You have a choice now of what you will prefer to use. So that's great. You're not only restricted to just use the Apple core apps, you have different third-party options now, which is fantastic. And not only does Apple CarPlay bring all of our apps into the car, keeps us connected whilst driving, and minimizes distraction, it also integrates into the car. So I have some buttons on the steering wheel here, and I can literally press the talk command button on the steering wheel to activate Siri, and I can command Siri to do things. I can tell it to drive me to the coffee shop. I can dictate a text message to a friend, and that will read it back to me before sending it. I can ask it to call someone, I can ask it to play a certain song. So I'd never have to reach over and worry about what I can see. I can stay completely connected with by using Siri with the integrated controls of the car. So we're just going to demonstrate that right now. So here we go. Hello Siri, send a text message to Laura.
What do you want to say?
Hello Laura, I'm sending you a text message from Apple CarPlay. I hope you're having a wonderful day.
Your message to Laura Parry says, hello Laura, I'm sending you a text message from Apple CarPlay. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Ready to send it?
Okay, send message. Pretty good. I was talking very natural, and Siri was able to understand me and read the message back. So I was, certain that it was right, and then I sent the message, and I did all that whilst driving on the road and just pressing that button. So that's a really great thing about Apple CarPlay as well. Now, before we finish the video, I just want to mention two features that I really love about this Apple CarPlay feature. Number one is I listen to a lot of podcasts, and one of the frustrating things about listening to podcasts is that you have to just listen to the whole mix from the start to finish without having the ability to sort of, go back or go forward, especially if you've listened to it once before. But with Apple CarPlay, with the podcast app, we're able to skip 15 seconds ahead and 15 seconds previous, so we can go forward and backwards as we please, really, really easy. Second is having the ability to find a destination, to plan the sat-nav before we even get in the car. So if you've got a sat-nav in the car and you sit in, you're there finding the postcode on Google, you're then typing it in, you're making sure it's the right place, blah, 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 blah. Now, before I've even got in the car, I'm on Google, I can press directions, and I've got it. I just connected to the car, it's already sent the information on the screen, and we're away. Brilliant. And with using Apple CarPlay as a sat-nav, we're getting live updates on the road. So if there's an accident or if there's a faster route, it will just update like that and send us the fastest way possible. I hope this was an interesting video and it gave you all the answers you needed about the new Yaris and Apple CarPlay. If there's anything that wasn't covered and you're unsure, just drop us a line in the comments. We're very active on social media. We'll see the comment and we'll reply. I recommend coming down to Pinkstones to test drive the all new Yaris. It is a fantastic car. We're really excited and it's absolutely brilliant on the road. Once you get behind the wheel of one of these things and you really start to see how this all comes together, it is fantastic. My name's been Philip. Thank you for watching the video. Leave a like, share if you could. That'd be great. Thanks for watching.